Obesity Research Lab. I'm Kedar Aras, Assistant Professor in the Department of Physiology and Biophysics in the Jacobs School of Medicine and Biomedical Sciences at University at Buffalo. For this episode, I wanted to share the highlights for the month of August 2024. The major highlights for this month has been focused on doing experiments to train my students, mentoring them, as well as upgrading the lab. Previously, we had one setup for conducting cardiac electrophysiology studies, but now we have two systems in place. One is to do panoramic setup, which is 4 cameras to do Langendorf whole heart mapping for both voltage and calcium. And the second one is dual camera mapping for slices. So now at any given point of time, we can do both slices mapping as well as whole heart mapping at the same time. So that will increase our productivity and I'll have more opportunities to do research for my students. So that's a big win. The second major upgrade in the lab has been increasing the capacity to culture cardiac slices. And that has entailed having multiple incubators. These are incubators that allow for modulating oxygen, carbon dioxide percentile, so we can keep the slices alive for a longer duration of time. And in addition to that, we are using MyoDishes, and these are custom designed systems for culturing cardiac slices for longer duration of time. So our hope is that we will be able to use cardiac slices for a lot of our projects and do a lot of our arrhythmia studies as well using the panoramic setup. So I'm excited with the upgrades. So that is the major highlight for this episode. See you next time.